Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today we are going to check about technical analysis of 7 stocks which are Ashok Leyland, Biocon, Sail, Aura Pharma, Yes Bank, RBL Bank, Ujjivan Small Finance. So we are going to buy or sell. What is the condition of market now? Let's check it. End of this video you can get the idea about these 7 stocks, whether we will go for buy or sell. Let's go directly to the video now. Before that, if you are a new person, please subscribe our channel and support to me. And disclaimer, this is not a tips or calls, this is only for education purpose. If anyone want to open an Upstock account, description I will give the link, you can use it. You can use it and support to me also. Okay, let's directly go to the video now. So I'm taking here RBL Bank day time frame. Guys, check it. January 2021, the RBL Bank has been touched at 272 rupees. After that, it is continuously fall. Then take another one opportunity for buy, and then again it is for fell down up to 157 rupees. So as of now, this company now fell down up to 157 rupees. Now it is a 52-week low. This is a 52-week low price. So if anyone want to buy this stock for long term, now you can try this stocks. After 135 rupees came down, after that you can try for buying opportunity for long term. Who are trying to long term holding this stock, you can use this opportunity. So if you want to do the intraday or swing trading, you can use for short opportunity. This stock may chance to take a reversal from this position, this location. See guys, already July month, it was July month, uh, taken a breakout happened at July month 2020. So now it may chance to take a reversal from here, or chance to go down up to 135 first target, second target 105. So we can utilize this opportunity, RBL Bank, for uh, buying for long term, selling for short term or swing trading on intraday. Next stock we will going to watch about Biocon. So Biocon is a good company. So it's a high prices here. This is high 485. Now the stock was fell down up to 333, 333. So this is a strong support. Why I am saying, previously it was taken a support, take a reversal at May month, 21st May. So after that again it was touched now. So it may chance to break down tomorrow. Then you don't go to buy, you can go for short. Maybe chance to it will take a reversal, you can use this stock for buying opportunity. But it is a selling opportunity. Now we have got a selling opportunity, may chance to most 75% may chance to it will go down. So Biocon is short selling, so opportunity it may go up to 272 rupees. So use this stock for buying, selling opportunity. So here 252 rupees, 250 rupees up to, it may come down up to 250 rupees. After that you can buy at deep for long term, you can use for long term. After here 250 rupees. So until that you can use for intraday and short term for short selling. Next stock is sale. See guys, I'm taking a sample of all these sectors, one stocks. So metal sector, I'm taking a sample of this sale. Sale is already touched a high, 151 rupees. It's almost a lifetime high. Now it was breakdown happening. So may chance to it will go up to 96 rupees. So using opportunity for selling side. so not for buying opportunity. Sale is now metal sector, all metal sectors are going down, so based on that the sale is now selling opportunity. You can utilize at first target 107, second target 96 rupees. After that you can buy at dip. If you want to go for a long term, then it will come down up to 86 or 80 rupees, then you can buy for a long term. Now it will be used for short term uh, short selling opportunity only. Now auto sector, I will explain about a sample of Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland, it has been already breakdown happen this trend line, so it may chance to touch 108. So definitely take a 108. After that may go to reversal. So the now it is start selling opportunity. Now current market price is 117. Now it may touch up to the target is 108. So after that it may chance to reversal. So you can utilize buy the stock for sell the stock up to 108 first target. This is a selling opportunity. If you want to buy for a long term, wait up to 108, then you can buy. After that may chance to go upward direction. So this is a selling opportunity for intraday. Now S Bank. So what can I say S Bank about S Bank? It is when it was released on IPO, it was price was 12 rupees. Now below that it is breakdown happen, so 10.80. It may chance to further continuation of this trend, it may touch up to 5.65 rupees. Otherwise may chance to take a reversal from here. Again it will go up to upward direction, 13 rupees and 15 rupees. So this stock, don't try to buy for long term, because this is a very slow process, and I think this S Bank is not for worth. My suggestion is not for worth for long term. If anyone having a stock in and you can exit. This is not a right stock for long term, but you can utilize opportunity for short term. It may take a chance to reversal from here. You can buy for short term 11 rupees or 10 rupees, then it will go up to 13 rupees or something. Okay. uh, Next stock we will discuss about Oro Pharma. So Oro Pharma continuously fall happen. So see guys, this stock was when it was traded on May 2021, it touched almost high 1054 rupees. Now it has been breakdown at this price of level 846 rupees, then continuously fall down up to now price is 682. So this is a right time to buy this stock up to 601. Buy at dip, who are trying to wait for a long term. So this is the right time to buy for the stock at 601 602 rupees. So this stock definitely go to again 1000 rupees. But now if you want to do the trading, day trading or short term, it is a shorting opportunity. See, this stock was reached 52-week low. So this is the right time to buying opportunity. If anyone is aggressive trader, you can buy at now also, but I am not suggest to buy now. So if it will further, it will go to down, so up to reach 602. So after that you can buy for long term. Now it is opportunity used for short selling. So you can use for short selling, day trading and intraday shorting opportunity, short term opportunity. You can use it this stock for. Now RBL Bank. So RBL Bank also almost see this stock was on 2021 January 270 rupees. Now it was fall down up to 157 rupees. So almost 100 points, more than 100 points it has been fall down. Now it may chance to take a reversal from here because of this stock. This is a strong support at 157 rupees because already previously in the month of June it was taking a reversal from here. So after that it may go up, upward direction. Now same situation may chance to happen, so that you have to wait for a long term person. And if you want to do the trading, short selling, if further breakdown up to further breakdown up this support level, then you can go for a short. Until that wait, may if you take the reversal this stock, you can use for buying opportunity, and otherwise you can go for sell opportunity. So it may my opinion is it may chance to break down within tomorrow or day after tomorrow, chance to go, and it will may reach up to first target 135 rupees, second target 105. So buy at a dip is 105 for long term persons. So use this stock for utilize it. Next stock is Ujjivan Small Finance. See guys, the Ujjivan Small Finance is the reached at a 52 week low. Now it has been break down to 23 rupees. See, further it may chance to go for down. So anyone want to buy for long term, this is a right time opportunity for this stock. May chance to go take a reversal after 12 rupees. So you can use for this stock. And as of now, this stock only for a short opportunity. So you can do the intraday or swing trading for short opportunity. If you want to buy this stock for long term, you can hold up to 6 months, more than 6 months, then it will again reach to 42 rupees or 43 rupees. So this is a right time to buy at a dip. So you can utilize the stock for buy at a dip for long term holder, but short term swing trading, it is a short term opportunity, selling opportunity now. So it may reach up to 12 rupees or 15 rupees or 12 rupees may chance to go again down. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you guys. Hope understand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching. We'll see the next video.